Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video we will be learning how to sign into your Township game. To sign into Township, first of all, launch open the Township application on your device, and once the game loads, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. In the expanded menu on the top right, tap on the gear button, and then this will open up the settings menu where you'll need to go ahead and tap on save progress. You have several different sign-in options on the next page. Simply tap on one of these signing options. You can sign in with Google account, Apple ID, or with your Facebook account. Choose any one option to get logged in with and follow through the instructions. You will then need to type in the credential for the account that you've selected. And right after you do that, you will then be able to log into your Township account using one of the login methods. Just ensure that the same account is being used as before. You have an internet connection that is stable and Township is fully updated to the latest version. So after you do that, you will be logged into your account in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.